Do you ever find yourself wondering why it's almost 2023 and you still don't have a client? Have you assessed yourself? Perhaps the clients just aren't that interested in your profile. Adding a portfolio is only one of several methods you may use to increase your exposure on Upwork. Worry no more, as Digital Guide has you covered with instructions on creating niche-specific portfolios. We'll also give you some advice on how to make your Upwork portfolio stand out and attract more clients, so stick around until the end of the video. First, you need to visit Upwork.com and log into your account. Or if you don't have an account yet, just sign up. Don't worry, it'll just take a few minutes. And what I want you to do next is to hover your mouse to find work and click on profile. Then, it will take you to your profile page, where you may access your portfolio by scrolling all the way down. So why do people have portfolios? And why is it important? Individuals' portfolio is a reflection of their abilities, experiences, and characteristics. It's a summary of their best work, coupled with values, experiences, and accomplishments. That is why it's important to take note that having an impressive portfolio will possibly bring you to lots of clients. So, going back, how to add a portfolio to your profile. Remember that you must have prepared your projects prepared ahead of time. You can upload your projects on your own drive. Mine is all set and just needs to be uploaded at this point. The next thing I'm going to do is go back into Upwork, navigate to the portfolio section, and click on the plus sign. And when I click that, you'll be brought to this page. Simply enter the title of the project, related specialized profile, related Upwork job, as well as the date it was completed. Remember that the information you provide here will change depending on the type of project you worked on, whether it be video editing or content creating, ghostwriting, script making. Since I do content creation, I was the one who wrote the script, created the voiceover, and edited the video. So let me type in the name of the project. It's content creation, and do not forget to include when the project was completed. Then choose the template. You have a few alternatives over here as to what you should do. Your portfolio might be displayed as a gallery, a case study, or just a classic. I'll select the gallery type for this one, and let's proceed to add details. The next step is to post the video to your YouTube account. So let's head over to YouTube and click your channel under your profile. If you don't already have a channel, just click Create Channel and automatically one will be created for you. Tap Upload Video. Select a thumbnail that will grab your client's attention right away. Then click the next button. You are essentially just uploading the video you made over here. Once that's done, we may now copy the link and return to Upwork. Once you've copied and pasted the link into Upwork, you'll be directed here. You can include a caption and some of the abilities you use to complete the project and its deliverable, as well as the URL and description of the project. After that, you can see how it will look in preview. And if everything's good, you can click Publish. Over here, you can see that our portfolio has been submitted, and it is currently being reviewed. Eventually, this video will be uploaded over here, at which point, they will let you know whether or not it was successful and whether or not you met the eligibility requirements. What I just showed you is how you create your portfolio if you're a video editor or anything similar. But suppose you're a writer of some sort, be it a copywriter or some other kind. If you're a copywriter, for instance, you should go to the page where you've edited all of your tags and posted your blog or website. You can also include a link to your website if you like, but I wouldn't recommend it since there are instances where they might find that your site is down. That will leave a terrible impression to your clients. Otherwise, you can use Google Docs to generate a PDF. Let's hop on Google Docs right now. Okay, so now that you're here, you just need to make a new document and save the document as a PDF. Once you've done that, you can simply upload it over here. This means just repeating the previous steps. Enter its title and go over to fill out the appropriate fields. If you're ready to share your work, click Publish. Before we move on to the strategies and key techniques to elevate your portfolio in Upwork, let me know if you have any questions so far. Don't hesitate to comment it down below and might as well hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. So, I will now demonstrate some useful techniques in making your portfolio. Just by looking at the profiles of successful freelancers, it can give you ideas for how to improve your own portfolio. Let me look up the top freelance copywriters available for hiring in September 22 on Google. As you can see, these are currently some of the finest copywriters out there. Let me introduce you to Jessica G, a top-rated freelancer on Upwork who, as you can see from her profile, possesses a wide range of skills and expertise. Let's look at her previous work samples. This is essentially what she did. As you can see on her portfolio, she has worked as a writer, editor, and author. If you go ahead and click on the link Kindbox Blogger, you will be taken to the site she designed. And if you want to read more of her stuff, go over to page 2. See, she blogged about motherhood, and it's an article she wrote about motherhood and clients can download. Now let's go back and scroll down to see the others. We have Scott S, who also has a portfolio on Upwork. Here's how he accomplished it. So you can see what I mean about needing to make a good-looking thumbnail. If you're wondering how to make a good thumbnail, you can go on over to canva.com. Now that you're here, you can pick some pictures to use as thumbnails. If you want to see something truly amazing, check out Pexels. We have free stock photos and other similar resources available over here. If, for instance, you're going to write about love or sci-fi or technologies in general, you can get similar photographs by searching for technology, just like this one. We may also visit Canva, where we could make a wonderful poster or thumbnail. So, let's head on over to Thumbnails, where we can design any number of images we like to use in our professional portfolio. And if I were to search again for technology-related thumbnails, I would find something very similar to what we saw in Pexels. Making any minor edits to the headings and structure would help give it a more professional appearance. You can improve your chances of becoming well-known in the freelancing world by starting to compile your portfolio right away. I truly hope that you find this video to be useful, and I have no doubt that you are prepared to make a successful portfolio and attract multiple clients. Consider subscribing right now to Digital Guide to enjoy more content like this. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.